In this video, we will discuss how to correctly turn right at a crossroad controlled by traffic lights. As with any other time that you are turning right, you must give way to oncoming traffic. If there is a safe gap, you are safe to turn. If there is not a safe gap, you must stop in a good position to make your turn. So, as you arrive in the junction, make sure that you also look to your right to look where you are going, as well as looking ahead at traffic. If it is not safe to turn, you ideally want to stop with your bonnet just slightly before the center marking of the road you are turning into. You must make sure you are waiting up to the center line of your road. Do not encroach into oncoming traffic. If you do this on your driving test, it will be a serious fault. If you are waiting for a safe gap, make sure you also keep an eye on the traffic light. If the light turns red, you must clear the junction, so make your turn if it is safe. Sometimes you may be waiting to turn right behind a queue of traffic. If you are in this situation and the light turns red, if your vehicle is not blocking the junction, then it is safer to stay where you are and wait for the next green light. So if you were this black car, you should make the turn and clear the junction. If you are the red car, it is safer to stay where you are and wait for the next green light. If two cars are facing each other and they are both turning right, the highway code tells us that we should try to turn behind each other. This is so that we can see clearly behind the other vehicle, and is therefore safer. However, in the reality of modern busy traffic, there is often a queue of cars waiting to turn, and so it is not feasible to turn behind the first waiting car. So, it is usually the way that we have to turn at the front of the first waiting car. Because our sight line is obscured, we have to be extremely cautious. If you think it is clear to go, always creep and peep until you have a clear view. Always consider that there could be smaller road users like cyclists or motorcyclists making their way through, even if you think there is not enough space for a car. This is why it is always important to peep and creep when you don't have a clear view, even if you think it is clear. Sometimes, when turning right at traffic lights, you will see a green arrow pointing right. This filter light gives you priority to turn right. When you can see this green arrow, traffic facing you will have a red light, so you are safe to make your turn. However, if you are approaching a junction and can see a green filter arrow, keep an eye on it. Often the filter arrow goes out, so you still have a green light, but no filter arrow. In this circumstance, the traffic facing you will now get a green light and will start to move, so you must be ready to give way to it. So remember, if you are turning right, a green filter arrow gives you priority to turn right. If the green arrow goes out, traffic facing you will start moving, so be ready to give way to it. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments if there is anything about traffic lights and junctions that still confuses you. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.